Imagine getting paid up to $65 per hour to work remotely from anywhere in the world, all while helping an AI model. Sounds too good, right? Well, it's happening right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Remote Dev Stories, where we dive into exciting opportunities in the world of AI and tech. Today I've got a job opportunity that might just blow your mind, especially if you're bilingual or multilingual. This remote role as an AI tutor not only allows you to work from anywhere, but also offers fantastic pay. So if you're someone who loves languages and has a passion for AI, stick around. First, let's take a look at the company profile. This job is posted by XAI. So who is XAI and what makes this job so unique? XAI is Elon Musk's company, and their mission is to create AI system that can help humanity better understand the universe. They're looking for a bilingual AI tutor to join their team, someone who's proficient in both English and another language like Hindi, Korean, Vietnamese, Chinese, German, Russian, or Spanish, just to name a few. Your job? To generate high-quality, accurately labeled data that will train their AI models in multiple languages. As XAI seeks substantial funding, reportedly aiming for a valuation of $40 billion, Musk envisions Grok not just as a tool for answering questions, but as a gateway to deeper knowledge and understanding, reflecting his broader goals of harnessing technology for the benefit of humanity. Now let's dive into the roles and responsibilities. Here's what your day-to-day would look like. Using XAI's proprietary software, you'll label data for AI projects in both English and your other language of expertise. This role goes beyond simple data entry. You'll work with technical teams to ensure the data reflects all the cultural and linguistic nuances required to make these AI models accurate. Plus, you'll contribute to improving annotation tools and even take part in writing projects to enhance their generative AI capabilities. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk qualifications. This job is a perfect fit if you're fluent in Hindi, English, and another language like French, Arabic, Italian, or Turkish. Beyond language skills, you'll need strong research and analytical skills. And if you've got a background in journalism, technical writing, or anything that requires high attention to detail and language proficiency, you'll likely be a great candidate. And the best part, the pay for this role can go up to $65 an hour with benefits if you're working full-time. And remember, it's fully remote, so you can work from wherever you want. What's interesting about this role is that it's not just a standard remote job. You're contributing to advancing AI and making it smarter in understanding diverse languages and cultures. Imagine the impact you'd have, especially with more and more companies and products relying on AI every day. This is a 6-month position, giving you the perfect opportunity to gain hands-on experience in the field of artificial intelligence. So, if this job sounds like your dream role, don't wait. Polish up that resume, highlight your language skills, and go for it. You can apply for this job from their careers page. If you're interested in more remote jobs like this one, let me know in the comments. Your comments will encourage me to find more remote jobs. Happy job searching. And before I sign off, here's a little secret. A lot has happened since my last video. If you remember, a year ago, I shared all about my remote job interview experience. Well, after that, a lot happened. I actually landed a remote job. I haven't posted since then, but now I'm ready to share it all. Where I work, my salary, and what it's really like to work remotely. So if you're curious and want to hear more, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Exciting updates are on the way, and I can't wait to bring you along on my journey. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.